Have you ever been chatting with Gemini and thought it would be faster if I could just pull in a Google Doc or calendar event right here? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use the @ symbol in Gemini to connect directly to your Google Docs, Sheets, Drive, Gmail, and Calendar without ever leaving the chat. When you're in Gemini, the @ symbol acts like a shortcut into your Google world. Typing @ lets you search and attach docs, slides, and sheets, pull in Drive files for Gemini to analyze, reference calendar events, and in some workspaces, you can even interact with Gmail and other apps. Instead of copying and pasting text from different tabs, you just type @, pick the file or app you want, and let Gemini do the heavy lifting. Let's try Google Drive. Instead of searching by keyword, just ask for it. Find the interview topics I wrote for the Dave Burgess interview. You can even pull info out of Google Docs. Ask it to summarize a long document for you, so you don't have to read the whole thing right now. Can you summarize my facilitator notes for my upcoming training? How about Google Calendar? Need to know if you're free? Just type @ and select Google Calendar. Then ask, when is my first meeting on Tuesday? It scans your schedule instantly, no more toggling between tabs to check your availability. So that's how the @ symbol in Gemini can make your life a little easier. Try this. Open Gemini, type @, pick one doc or sheet you already use all the time, ask Gemini to summarize it or turn it into something new. If this was helpful, hit like, share it with a colleague, and let me know in the comments which @ use you're going to try first.